Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today I'm going to solve the question paper related to JNVST entrance exam maths paper. Okay, so here let us move on to the question number 41, and here the question is what will be the product of 999 and 9999. Let us say 9999 and multiplied by 999, right? So here the first digit will be 981. So answer B, C, D out of 3, 1 will be the right answer, but we don't know what will be the starting number. That's why we have to multiply completely. 9 9 is 81, 9 9 is 81 plus 8, 89. So again 9 9 is 81 plus 8, 89, and 9 9 is 81 plus 89. So as we are multiplying with same number, so we just have to write down the above numbers. Okay, so here like this, and again 8, 999, and 1. Alright, so 1 and 9 plus 1, 10, and here 20, and 9 3 is 27 plus 2, 29, and here 9 to the 18 plus 2, 20 and 28, and here 9 plus 2, 11 plus 8 is 19, and here 1, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 998, 9001 is the right answer. So 998, 9001 answer C is the right answer. Okay, let us move on to the question number 42. Alright, so the question number 42 here is the sum of factors of 64. Let us say 1 into 64 is equal to 64. Alright, so 2 into 32 is equal to 64, right? So again 3 into, there is no option, and 3 and 4, so here 4 into 16 is equal to 64. Alright, so 5 there is no choice, and 6 also there is no factor, 7 also no factor, and 8 is the factor. 8 into 8 is 64, right? So here you just have to add all these numbers. See here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16, 32, 64, right? So 16, 32, 64. Let us add all these numbers: 4, 6, 12, 20, 24, 26, 27. Alright, so here 2, and here 2 plus 6, 8, 8, 11 and 12. Okay, so 127 is the right answer. Alright, so 127 is the right answer. Let us move on to the question number 43. Alright, so question number 43 is we just have to add first 3 decimal numbers and then subtract the last one. So here 6.082. Alright, 6.082 plus 60.82. Alright, so again, so here I put 0 because it doesn't have any value. Alright, so you can put multiple zeros also, it doesn't carry any value. Okay, so again 608, 608.2. Here also you can put 00. Okay, so let us add 2, 8 plus 2, 10, and here 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, and here 6 plus 1 is 7. And so the last number is this one, we have to subtract. Alright, so minus 0.6082. Okay, 6082. So here there is nothing is there, you just have to put 0. Okay, so here borrow 1 here, and it will become 10 minus 2 is 8, and 11 minus 8 is 3, and here it is 9, and here 10 minus 6 is 4, and as we borrowed here 1, so that's why here it is 4 and 7 and 6. Okay, 674.4938. 674.4938, that is a B. Okay, so let us move on to the question number 44. Okay, so question number 44, how many prime numbers are there between 1 and 11? So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So prime number is 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. Okay, 5 prime numbers are there, right? So answer is A. Right, let us move on to the question number 45. So question number 45. Okay, so here the question number 45 is what will be the product of 0.2 into 0.03. So here you just have to multiply 2 and 3, that is 6, and count the numbers after the decimal number. Here 1 and here 2, so 3. So that means after the decimal point there are 3 numbers including 6. So that means it is 006. 006, that is A is the right answer. So now let us move on to the next question, that is question number 46. Okay, so here the question 46, the greatest common factor, that means you have to find out the HCF of 20 and 30. Let us say 20 and 30 we have to factorize. So let us take prime number 2 for the factorization purpose. So here 10 and here it is 15. Alright, so again further you can take 5 to the, and here 5 3 the. Okay, further you cannot divide using the same number, that's why your factorization for HCF is ended. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So 10 is the right answer. Alright, so answer C. Alright, so let us move on to the next question, that is 47. Alright, so 47 question is decimal number is given, you just have to convert it to fraction. Okay, here 0.238 is given. Okay, so to convert it to fractional form, to shift these three numbers to the left hand side, we just have to multiply using 1000, and also we have to divide 1000. Okay, so this is by the method of equivalent fraction, we are just multiplying and dividing with the same number. Okay, after simplification it will be 238 divided by 1000. So further we can divide here 2 and divide here 2. The number will be 119 divided by, here 2 5 means it is 500. Okay, 2 5 10 means it will be 500. So 119 divided by 500 will be the right answer. Okay, so further we cannot reduce. So this is the lowest form, that's why 119 by 500 is the right answer, that is A. Alright, so now let us move to the question number 48. Okay, so here question number 48. So this is very simple question here. 999 is given and divided by 1000. Okay, so you just have to count how many zeros are there, 3 zeros, and you just have to count the numbers, 3 numbers, and put the decimal by counting 3 numbers. Okay, so this will be the 0.999. Okay, so here answer C will be the right one. 0.999 is the right answer. Okay, very simple, right? So let us move on to the question number 49. Right, so question number 49, you can use the BODMAS rule. So here you know the method of division. Same number if we divide using the for the numerator and denominator, the answer will be 1. Okay, so 1 into 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, 1 into 2 is, it is again 2. So the simplified value will be like this. So here further if we simplify, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 and divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is the right answer. Okay, 7 divided by 2. So the next question is 50th question. Okay, 50th question is 100 square meter is given. So they are just asking us to simply convert it to meter square. So 100 centimeter square, how we can write is, let us say 110 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Okay, so you know how to convert a centimeter to meter by dividing 100, right? So here also let us divide 100. Alright, so here these 2 0 gone and these 2 0 gone, so it will be 1 divided by 100. Right, 1 divided by 100 is 100th value, right? 0.01. This is the answer. 0.01 meter square is the answer. Okay, answer B is the right one. Alright, so let us move on to the question number 51. So here question number 51. So here you just have to multiply 1 1 1 in this. Okay, so 1 1 1 is 1 only. So after decimal point, how many numbers are there? It is 1 2 3. So that means after the decimal point there are 3 numbers including 1. Okay, 0.001 is the right answer. Alright, so B is the right one. So let us move on to the question number 52. Okay, here the question number 52 is a shopkeeper bought a wall clock for 200 rupees. Okay, so he bought a wall clock for 200 rupees and sold it for the profit of 40. Okay, so then the selling price of the clock. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, right? So the answer will be 240. Alright, the selling price of the clock will be 240. That is C answer. Alright, so let us move on to the next question, that is 53. Okay, so here in 53rd question, a fruit seller bought apples for 1500 rupees. Okay, he purchased apple for 1500 rupees and spent 100 rupees for bringing. Okay, let us say 100 rupees he spent for getting apples to his shop. Okay, so total amount he spent for the apple is 1600, right? And then he sold these apples for a total of 2,236 rupees. So in that case, how much profit did he earn? So as you know, 2236 is the total amount, that is sell price. So sell price minus cost price is his profit. Okay, so here minus 1600, 6360. Okay, 636 is the right answer. That is answer B. All right. So let us move to the question number 54. So 54th question, the length of fifth side of a pentagon with the perimeter of 80 centimeter. So you know the length perimeter of the pentagon. So pentagon is having 5 sides. Let us say S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. Alright. So and the sum of the length of whose 4 sides are 63. So here 4 sides length is 63. It is given. So then here the question is, what is the length of the fifth side? Alright. So length of the fifth side is very simple. S5 is equal to 80. If we transfer 63 to this side, it will be minus 63. So S5 is equal to, it is 17. Alright. So 17 is the right answer. So let us move on to the question number 55. Okay. So here, you know, it is a very simple question. You have to simplify left hand side and then try to find out this value. Let us say x value. All right. So here 58,394. So here minus 86 minus 86 means 86 into 2. How much it will be? So it will be 172. So that means total minus 172. So you have to subtract minus 172. Okay. All right. So this will be the left hand side answer. Okay. So right hand side it is x into 86. All right. So here to match the left hand side answer, you have to find out the number in such a way that it will be equal to the left hand side. So here if we multiply answer here A option, 6 7 ja, how much it is? 42. All right. 6 7 ja 42. That means it is answer A. Okay. 6 8 ja 48. That doesn't matching here, right? So 6 0 ja 0 and 6 1 ja 6. It is not matching. So only option A is matching. That is 6 7 ja 42. So in other way also you can find out like x is equal to 58222 divided by 86. So this will also give the same answer 677. Okay. Alright. So the option A is the right answer. It is very simple actually. Here you just have to match left hand side with the right hand side by using one of the option. Okay. Alright. So let us move on to the question number 56. Here in question number 56, a train left Delhi for Jaipur at 10:45 a.m. and reached the Jaipur at 3:30 p.m. The time of the journey. Here it is very simple. You no need to do in part basis. You just have to do in one single step by adding 12 to the end time. That is here 3:30 p.m. means you just have to write by adding 12 15:30. All right. Minus very simple. It is 10:45 minute. Okay. So here 30 minute is the bigger one. So we just have to borrow one here. That means it is 60 minute. Okay. So this will become again 1590 and here here as we are borrowing one 1490, sorry, as we borrowed one, so that means 1490 minus 1045, right? Okay, very simple. So here minus 45. Alright, so here it is 4 and 0, right? 4 hours 45 minutes. Very simple, right? 4 hours 45 minutes is the answer. That is option B. So here let us move on to the next question, that is 57. Okay, so here this question there were 500 eggs in a box. So 3 by 25 what happened is broken. 3 by 25 into 500 are the broken eggs. So 25 2s are, so here what is left? 20. So 20 into 3 60. So 60 eggs are broken, right? So again here question extended here 1/5 of the total. So it is clearly telling 1/5 of the total means 1/5 of 500 eggs are kept for the guest. Okay, guest के लिए 1/5 of the eggs reserve किया है. Okay, so here 100. So 100. So total how much? 160 eggs are 160 eggs are kept for 100 kept for guest and 60 are broken. So 160 eggs are gone from the total 500. Okay. So the number of eggs which can be used. So which can be used means 500 minus 160. That is the number of eggs which we can use. Okay. All right. Here 3. Right. So 340 is the right answer here. So option C. Okay, so let us move on to the next question, that is survey related bar graph question. This is very interesting question. So it is very simple. Here in a survey 115 families are there. Okay, the number of children in each family was recorded and the data has been represented by the bar graph. From the bar graph, the number of families have no child is. So here one simple thing is, whatever this bar graph is given, right, it is for number of child, the families which are having number of childs, and total number of families are given. So here from this graph, what you have to find out the total number of families which are having child. Okay, so here this is 20. Okay, and this is 30, and this one is 35, and this one is 5. So if we add all these, what will be the total number is? So 5 for the 10, and 1, that is 2, 3, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So 90. Alright. So 90 families are having child. That is this meaning from the bar graph. 90 families are having child. So how many families are not having child means total 115 is given. So minus 90 if we do, then it will give the answer, that is 25. So 25 families are not having the child. Okay. Alright. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 59. Alright. So here in this question it is very simple. Sum of the all interior angles of rectangle is equal to, very simple. It is, you just have to draw a rectangle and let us see this. Alright. So each angle is 90 degree, 90 plus 90, 180, here 270, and here this one 360. Okay. So even you can do like 90 minus 90 into 4 is equal to 360, like that also acceptable. Okay, 360 degree is the right answer. Alright, so let us move on to the next question, that is 60th one. Alright, so 60th question, a complete angle is equal to, so complete angle is, it will be something like this. Let us say it starts from 0 here and completely like this, it will be 360 degree. Okay, so a complete angle is equal to 360 means we have to find out the answer which can equate to 360 degree. So here option 4 right angles. So right angle means it is a 90 degree and into 4 is equal to 360 degree, right? Alright, so that is the correct one. So here you can observe that question number 59 and question number 60 are almost equal and same question. There is not much difference between these two. Both questions are almost same. Alright, so thank you for watching.